Neuraltext iPro pricing explained what you get for your money. Neuraltext iPro isn't just a writing assistant. Most people get this wrong. It's designed to help marketers and content creators generate high-quality, SEO-friendly content with AI-powered tools. Pricing starts at per month for the Pro plan. This includes unlimited AI-generated content, SEO research tools, content templates, and competitor analysis. You also get access to long-form content generation, topic research, and plagiarism checks. The surprising truth is that Neuraltext Pro doesn't just create content, it guides strategy. For example, it can analyze competitor pages and generate outlines optimized to outrank them. You save hours of research and planning while producing content that performs better in search engines. Collaboration features allow teams to review drafts, leave comments, and manage content workflows in one place. Integrations with platforms like WordPress make it easy to publish directly from the tool. In conclusion, Neuraltext iPro pricing offers an AI-powered content solution for marketers, writers, and teams. If your goal is to generate optimized, high-quality content quickly and strategically, Neuraltext Pro isn't just AI, it's your content strategy partner.